Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can insert a new section in your websites and pages you create on the Framer website editor and designer. So let us dive into this. Head over to your workspace on Framer. Next, click into all projects here and select the website project. I will go with this one. Wait for the loading to be finished, and after that, what you want to do is select the given page here under Pages. For example, the home page. And then guys, as you can see, I'm using a blank homepage example. So to insert a section, click into insert in the top left, hover your mouse over sections here and choose one of these, for example, that one, logo string, and then position it on your page. Now, if you left click into it, it will be added to your page as well, just below, and so on and so forth. So now I've added 3 of them. Let me remove these. And that's it, and you can do that with any other section of your of that menu here. Browse through that menu and position it on your page, or left click into it so that Framer may add it automatically to your page, so that you can now click into the section, customize it, edit it, or add content and components to it. You will see the given section if you switch from Pages to the Layers tab. Here, select the given page. We're going with the home page, and then you will see the given section here. You can expand it and to find out which components have been added as sub-layers to the given section, and change their position, for example, and so on and so forth. So that's how you create and add sections to your websites on Framer. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.